Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on your iPhone 5S. The high quality replacement part, lots of tools, and this magnetic project map can be found in our repair kit, the link to which is in the description. Lots of info about the kit and everything you need can be found at giga.de/repair, and we're going to get right into it now. We're going to start with these two pentalobe screws on the bottom of your phone. Here and here. You don't need to apply much force as they're only lightly fastened. The same goes for all screws on the inside and for when you're fixing them later. Screw them in just until they're not loose anymore. Because I don't want to lose any screws, I'm going to put them onto my insanely cool magnetic project map. Here they can't roll away, and I always know exactly which ones go where. The next step involves either this metal guitar pick or this suction cup. That depends on the state of your screen. If it's mostly shattered to bits, you should use this, and I'm going to show you how in just a moment. If it looks like this and only has some sort of internal error, you can easily remove it with a suction cup. Place it here near the home button and carefully pull. However, I'm going to use this metal thing because in most cases your display will be too banged up to use the suction cup. You can also try to apply some broad tape to the screen to create a flat surface for the suction cup. But if that doesn't work, just use the metal guitar pick from the repair kit to take off the display. You need to get it in between the screen and the frame. Don't be afraid to go in there, it might be a little tough at first. Once you're in, carefully force it open without inserting the pick too far into the device. Don't open it any further than this, so you won't rip off this cable which connects the home button to the logic board. Before opening the screen all the way, you need to disconnect it. Use the plastic spatula to remove the metal clip, and then the connector itself. Now you can open up the device a little more, but still don't fold back the screen all the way. Open it just enough to access this metal cover, under which there are a few more connectors. Remove it and carefully detach these three cables. One here, another one here, and the third over here. Remove the home button from your old screen. You'll need to undo 3 screws. Here, here underneath, and here. The first one won't come off all the way. It'll just stay there, stuck to the cable. Remove this metal cover. Carefully remove this cable. It's glued to the base of the screen, but if you start up here in the corner, you won't damage the connector. Use this plastic spatula to pry it off gently. Now, push the home button assembly through from the front towards the back until it comes off. Carefully remove it together with all the attached cables. Grab your new screen and install the old home button like this. Make sure these little holes line up with their respective pins here and here. Use the plastic spatula to secure the button in place. Replace the metal cover. Before you fasten this last screw, very carefully push the cable in place so it's stuck to the back of the screen again. Grab your new screen and reattach those same connectors to the logic board. You can try using the plastic spatula, but if that doesn't work, simply press them down with your finger. Now the metal cover goes back onto these connectors. Reattach the home button connector to the logic board. Use the plastic spatula from the repair kit to press it in place and secure it with a metal clip. Be careful not to open the screen any further than this from this point on, or you will rip off the connector. The metal clip goes in this way around, with the two openings towards the top of the phone and this little clamp towards the bottom. Start pressing the screen into the frame, starting at the top by the phone's speaker. Slowly work your way down towards the home button and check if it's flush on all sides and that there are no gaps. Lastly, secure everything with the two pentalobe screws on the bottom, here and here. That's it. You now have a brand new screen on your iPhone 5S.